We arrived. It's showtime, Tricy.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। हम ज़मीन के रहने वालों की तरफ से आपको खुश आमदीद कहते हैं।
Hola y saludos a todos.
2 billion years of evolution and they didn't even make a parking lot.
And receive this message.
Hello.
I want to understand why life in the universe has to be so ugly. We send the best of us on this journey, not video game characters.
You're right, Tricy. Life forms are expressions of beauty. From the music of the universe, of our balance. But if you felt a data center instead of people, you could all see what we displayed here at the same time.
I'm in love with this girl. All I know about her is her name.
Perhaps we're both crazy. All I know about you.
Do you
is your
still
name.
not have an intelligence hub among you? Advanced life forms may take on characteristics that facilitate contact. Do you want to make contact, Tricy?
We step into the universe with humility and hope.